Jiao 441 here, bringing the daily telepathic frequencies to whomever wants them. So I'm going to start out with today's signature and the prayer of the 7 galactic directions. We're at white magnetic mirror, the start of a new 13-day wave spell, bringing the energies of reflection, order, and endlessness. I unify in order to reflect, attracting order. I seal the matrix of endlessness with the magnetic tone of purpose. I am guided by my own power doubled. Now the prayer of the 7 galactic directions. From the east, house of light, may wisdom dawn in us, so we may see all things in clarity. From the north, house of night, may wisdom ripen in us, so we may know all from within. From the west, house of transformation, may wisdom be transformed into right action, so we may do what must be done. From the south, house of the eternal sun, may right action reap the harvest, so we may enjoy the fruits of planetary being. From above, house of heaven, where star people and ancestors gather, may their blessings come to us now. From below, house of earth, may the heartbeat of our crystal core bless us with harmonies to end all wars. From the center, galactic source, which is everywhere at once, may everything be known as the light of mutual love. Ayum hunabku evam maya e ma ho. Ayum hunabku evam maya e ma ho. Ayum hunabku evam maya e ma ho. And we are grateful and thankful for all the wonderful blessings. That last part, Ayum hunabku evam maya e ma ho. That is Mayan for all hail the harmony of mind and nature. So here we are on the calendar, Galactic Moon 14, Cilio, which is the radial plasma from the heart chakra, and its location is 441, right in the center. Sorry, the quality's not there, but it's 441, 21 times 21. And white magnetic mirror, its location is 402 on the matrix. Just the white mirror per se. And here's a look at the calendar as well. 13 equal months of 28 days, each day coordinated with one of the 7 chakras. So we are right here. Every 7th, 14th, 21st, and 28th day is a heart chakra day. And that is where multiple people around the world are visualizing the rainbow bridge. This right here. And that is a unified thought field of peace and love, and the more consciousnesses that we have visualizing the rainbow bridge, we will make it more of a reality. We create with our own minds. So, the time matrix, where we are on the calendar, right here, 94. Just kind of said this in a previous video. But so every day it starts over here, let's say for the calendar, for half of the months at least. And so 7 days, then it goes over here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that's where we are on the time matrix. So we're going to take that coordinate, which is vertical 1, horizontal 20. So we got 94 plus 20. So that's 114. And then over here, 347. That's a great number. All right, so all right, 347, 94, and 20. $461. Pretty sure. Yep. All right, so 461. And in vigesimal, that is 1.3.1. So that's the 20 count number system. It goes 1. The 3 there represents 60. It's 3 times 20. And then that's 1 of 20 times 20. So 400. And then the matrix, the location is BMU 60 for the time telepathic frequency. Right over here. So it's just a matter of the coordinates. And now, since it is kin 118, we will locate 118 on the, well, it's right there on the synchronic one. I suppose we can start with the space one. Right there. So that's vertical 17, horizontal 5. So that is 285 on the matrix, the BMU. One of the corner pieces. And so we see on the hollow mind perceiver, it is, well, over here, 4D/5D. Anyways, there's just so many interesting things looking at this thing. So we'll take that coordinate of 118. Over here it's a 57. And then over here it's 245. $245 and 57. $420. See, it's a good number. 420, BMU 285. And I know one of my friends, that is one of their frequencies, their time telepathic frequency. A few people, more than a few of these coordinates on the matrix actually add up to 420. So now we're going to do the same thing. I guess usually I also write the coordinates here. So we got vertical 1, horizontal 20, vertical 17, horizontal 5. And then this one is vertical 10, horizontal 19. Right there. And notice, like, the synchronic matrix, it just goes through the archetypes 1 to 20 and then goes back again. So along all these rows, like, all these are white mirrors, etc. And the green days, galactic activation portal days. So we got 273 plus 118 plus 359 359 273, and then that's space 208. 208. I like that number personally. That's the kin number of one of my oracles, the yellow cosmic star. And you know, the more that you can be in tune with which numbers are yours and what they mean to you, it makes a big difference. That's when you notice that the universe is really talking to you through these numbers. Even 347 here. My Lemurian crystal, that is the frequency of it, 3.4.7. And yeah, it's hard to explain why that number came to me. I don't really remember much of it, but that's what it is. So anyways, rambling along. What do we got here? So 599, right? BMU. Oh. And that's how we make mistakes. I'm focusing so much on this video that I put the BMU in there. That ain't supposed to be there, folks. Mistakes happen. It's all good. So we gotta take, that's right, it was 359 there. Hmm. $750. Always double check. Anyways, so those are the numbers of today. Oh yeah, and 420 is 1.1.0, and 750 is 1.17.10. 131-110-11710. And the total telepathic frequency. $16.30. And then start sitting on the ground. To find the BMU of that, we subtract it by the nearest multiple of 441 under it. So it's 1323, 441 times 3. So 307. And also, this number is 4.1.10. 10 plus 20 plus 4 times 400. And the location of that BMU is vertical 5, horizontal 15. Right there. And the kin equivalent, to find that, we subtract 1630 by the nearest multiple of 260. So that's 1560. So that's kin 70. All right. That one is the white overtone dog. Overtone house of the compassionate one. So that is, I am power in order to love, commanding loyalty. I seal the process of heart with the overtone tone of radiance. I am guided by the power of endlessness. All right. So then we can break down these numbers more. Let's see. Do this manually, I suppose. 1630 is 815 divided by 2. Then 815 is 166 times 5. Or, 163 times 5. And then now it's under 441, so let's look at the number. I'm not that good at math. 163. Prime key, reverse of 361. Okay. So 163, which is connected to one of the corner pieces, times 10, which is the manifestation number. Let's look at these other numbers here. We got 60, 285, 208, 307, 420, 750, 461. So 208. 52 times 4, 104 times 2, 13 times 6, 8 times 26. Fourth castle complete. 208th step to Merlin's tower. 20 tablets of Law of Time. 208th moon. Cosmic Moon 2013. Final stage prior to galactic synchronization. Vigesimal 10.8. And 10.8, that is connected to 108, which is the number of the crown chakra, as well as the number of the red dragon. As well as it's a significant number for other reasons. So then we got, let's see, 285. 19 times 15. 3D, 4D interdimensional phase unit. Vertical 17, horizontal 5. Radio matrix, cosmic ascension, and core galactic channel. Beta alpha hyperplasma. Vigesimal code 14.5. And, you know, depending on how you look at these numbers, like 14.5, you can see that connected to 145, which is the red lunar serpent. And then 307, prime key. Interesting. 703 minus 307, 396, number of the navigator. And I'm just going to check out 420. Amplification of 5 to 7 telectonon ratio.